आपने कहा मोदी के अगर जल्दी जल्दी पाकिस्तान आ जा, उसने कहा मेरी हलफ बर्दारी की तकरीब में आ जा। आप जाएंगे? मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, आप जाएंगे? सुन लीजिए नवाज शरीफ साहब, अगर आप जाएंगे, आप कश्मीरियों को क्या जवाब देंगे?
Well, it's clear now why Nawaz Sharif is thinking twice. He's under pressure from the Pakistani army and even the hardliner Shafiq. That reaction coming in from Hafiz Saeed, 2611 mastermind plotter, who says if you want to talk to India, tell them that you're willing to attend the oath-taking ceremony, but you promised to solve the Kashmir issue. Now we know where the pressure is coming from.
Hafiz Saeed has the same stance for the last many years. So this stance cannot be considered as a pressure, but definitely the right-wing parties, particularly the Jamaat al-Dawa, the right-wing party based in Lahore, they are strongly opposing Nawaz Sharif traveling to India and particularly not talking the Kashmir issue. So this is a clear message coming from Hafiz Saeed, who spoke on the occasion of Yawm Takbir. He warned that the Kashmir issue should be solved at all costs. If Nawaz Sharif is not talking the Kashmir issue, then there is no reason to go to India on the oath-taking ceremony. A clear message. Definitely, this is one of the main, maybe one of the consideration for the Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to think not twice but thrice before leaving for New Delhi to attend the ceremony of oath-taking. Yes, please.
Thanks, Shafiq, for joining us with those details. In a provocative speech in Lahore, the 2611 mastermind Hafiz Saeed has warned Nawaz Sharif against travelling to India. Let's listen in to Hafiz Saeed's statement made just a little while ago.
आप क्या पॉलिसी बनाते हैं? आपने कहा मोदी के अगर जल्दी जल्दी पाकिस्तान आ जा, उसने कहा मेरी हलफ बर्दारी की तकरीब में आ जा। आप जाएंगे? मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, आप जाएंगे? सुन लीजिए नवाज शरीफ साहब, अगर आप जाएंगे, आप कश्मीरियों को क्या जवाब देंगे?